In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find a Facebook business page URL. To begin, make sure you are already logged into your Facebook account. Open facebook.com in your browser. Once the site loads, switch over to the Facebook business page that you want to manage. This is important because the settings you need are inside the page view, not your personal profile. After you are on the correct business page, go to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile picture. This will open a menu with account and page options. From that menu, select Settings and Privacy. A second menu will appear. In that menu, click Settings to open the main settings area for your page. When the settings page opens, look to the left-hand side of the screen. You will see a menu with different sections for managing your page. Find the section called Audience and Visibility. Under that section, click Page Setup. This will open the Page Setup options, where you can manage important details connected to your Facebook business page. Next, select Name. This area shows the basic identity settings for the page, including the username connected to it. Once the Name section opens, look under the Username field. This is where Facebook displays your page URL. The page URL is tied directly to your username, so this is the easiest place to find the full link for your business page. If you only need to view or copy the page URL, you can use the information shown there. If you also want to change your Facebook business page URL, click Edit next to the username. Then enter the new username you want to use, as long as it is available and follows Facebook's naming rules. Once you save the change, your page URL will update automatically to match the new username. Keep in mind that changing the username affects the link people use to find your page, so make sure the new name is accurate and consistent with your business branding before saving it. That is the full process for finding your Facebook business page URL and updating it if needed. Once you know where the username is located, it is very easy to access this information anytime you need it. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.